What I have in my hands here is a Browning 9mm semi-automatic pistol. It's one of the greatest pistols ever made. As the name suggests, it was invented by John Moses Browning. And John Moses Browning is the father of the semi-automatic pistol. He's pioneered the designs of the Browning which I have in my hands here. The .45 ACP used by the United States. Now I'm going to try and fire this pistol to see how good it is. It's been in the army for almost half a century. It came in after the China War, and this is the standard 9mm sidearm for the police, the paramilitary, and the Indian Army.